today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. We're going to be doing my hair, which is so pretty, and this hair is brought to you by SuperNova. And we're going to be doing our makeup using the Fenty Beach Please collection. I know y'all, I'm late to the game, but I had to show you guys. I had to do this and give you guys my opinion on this collection. It's just looking so flawless on my skin. I didn't use any other products but the Fenty products, and it looks dope. This is an all like metallic eye, and it's super cute for the summer. Like, I love this. Okay guys, so first, I know I look so funny. First we're gonna start off with our hair in this video. And I did go ahead and create myself like a ball cap. I put a cap on and I kind of sprayed down the edges using my Got To Be spray. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on first before we get into the makeup portion of the video. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig grip because I always need my wig grip. So let's go ahead and throw on this wig. So I am going to go ahead and wet the wig down a little bit, and by the end of the video it should be you know, nice and dry. The baby, it looks really good on the scalp even before I do the edges and all of that stuff, and it isn't glued down. You guys just saw me put it on. Now what I really like about the SuperNova hair is that it's nice and thick. I have in about almost 3 bundles. I really like the frontal. The frontal is nice and full. It's not really thin, which I like. I don't like super thin frontals because I feel like it makes your wig look really skimpy. So the frontal is from here to here, but it's very nice and full, and I didn't have to do that much plucking around the front at all. Because you guys know naturally I have a pretty full hairline, so I don't like to do a whole lot of plucking anyway. I really like that the hair is nice and dark. It almost looks black. That's really important to me, that my hair looks dark. My natural hair is black. So I really like that. But so far the hair is feeling really nice and soft. I'm going to stand up so you guys can see the actual length. Okay you guys, so the hair is about 22 to 24 inches. You guys are gonna kill me because I actually forgot the name of the curl, so I will annotate it right here. But you kind of can't see it because I need to co-wash it because I kind of fingered it out. But it is a really pretty curl, and it feels really, really nice. The ends look good. I like that I didn't have to tint the lace. It came nice and dark. I really like the ball cap. It's really making it look nice and realistic. So I really, really like that. And I think I might put some of it up. So I'll put some of it up. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. Okay you guys, so I just co-washed the hair. I didn't fully co-wash it, I just kind of like wet it down. But the hair looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm surprised it looks this good. Like, it looks really, really nice and full. The frontal actually matches the hair. I did have some shedding, but not a whole lot. The conditioner I used was the Ozzy 3 Miracle Moist. Love this. I'm actually going to take my blow dryer with my diffuser, and I'm going to dry the hair that way. This is the hair. It's not 100% dry, but it's almost dry. And it looks really, really cute. It's like, it's your perfect like summer, easy, breezy, flowy, wavy hair. This is like my ultimate summer look, you know? Okay, SuperNova, I am liking this hair texture. It's really pretty. Okay, so let's get into this face, honey. The products we're using today is the Fenty Beach Please collection. I'm going to be swatching some of the items and using them to create a look. And I know I'm late on this, you guys. I don't need to hear, oh my god, Ivy, you're so late, you're so late. I know I'm late, okay? I know I'm late. I know I'm late, okay? So, I still wanted to show you guys these. So, my eyebrows are already done. I just need to figure out what look I'm going to do on my eyes. I picked up 2 of the Killawatt foil highlighters. And I got the color, Sandcastle and Mint Mojito, and Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. What's wrong, baby?
What's wrong, Daddy?
Hmm? Oh. Y'all like his little silky? Say hi.
Hi.
Aww, he's so cute. Okay, you know what mommy wear? So this is what Sandcastle and Mint Mojito look like. Really pretty. Okay guys, so the first one is Sandcastle and the second one is the Mint Mojito. Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset look like. The first one is Sangria Sunset and the second one is Mimosa Sunrise. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes using my Fenty Beauty Concealer Stick in Walnut. Just help neutralize the eye out a little bit. And remember you guys, this is gonna be like a fresh summer look, so you don't need too much going on. So next I'm gonna set the eye with the Fenty Beauty Universal Powder. This is gonna help the product not crease. So I think I'm first gonna go in with Mimosa Sunrise. And I'm kind of just gonna put Mimosa Sunrise in my crease area first. Now on my complexion, to me it shows up like a nice yellowy type of color. Then I'm gonna go in with Sangria Sunset. And I'm only gonna be using these for the look. I'm not using any outside shadows, because I just kind of want to complete everything with the Fenty stuff, you know. And I'm actually applying these kind of like, I'm fanning them out. They look like they can be super, super pigmented. But I'm actually applying them this way. This is the way I want them to look. Now I'm gonna go in with Mint Mojito, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I really like that. Okay. We're gonna go in with the Mint Mojito. Now I'm going to take that blending brush again and just kind of lightly make sure everything is blended. Now I'm going to go into Sandcastle and put Sandcastle in my inner tear duct and a little bit under my brow bone. Now you want to take a clean blending brush and kind of just make sure everything is nice and blended to your liking. I'm going to take a smaller like pencil brush and apply some of that Sangria Sunset to the lower lash line, and then go right on top of that with some of the Mimosa Sunrise. I'm going to add a little eyeliner on my waterline, and the eyeliner I'm using is Basket Case by Kat Von D. And now I'm just going to do some wing liner because I don't know, I feel like wing liner completes every look. It helps my eyes look a little bit bigger. So we're gonna go into the ink liner Trooper Black, and this is from Kat Von D as well. I really love this line. It's like one of my favorite eyeliners. Oh my god, y'all, I forgot to put my other highlight on the other side. Why would y'all let me sit here and keep recording? This is a special treat. Today is gonna be a first look at some of my lashes. The style I'm using today is called Style Tippy Toes. I just want to show you guys the packaging. This is my baby. The name of the brand will be Black Lash. And this is what it looks like. This is my packaging I came up with, so I hope you guys like it. I'm going to show you guys the lashes. So there's a little sneak peek for you guys. The website will be up very, very soon. I just wanted to give you guys a little look of it really quick. I said I wasn't going to show you guys, but I couldn't help it. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I just went ahead and did my lashes, and these are the Style Tippy Toes again. And all of my lashes, like the names, are like their plays on nicknames that I had as a little kid. The hair is pretty much dry, and now I'm just going to pick one of the colors to use as like a highlight. I think I'm going to use the color Sandcastle. I think I'm going to mix the highlight colors. I think I'm also going to go into Sangria Sunset and put some of that on my cheeks. I just love how Fenty creates products that look good on dark skin too, you know, because I'm so tired of, I get so tired of having products that just don't work for us, or we have to tweak it and pluck it and this and that. But her products are beautiful on dark skin, light skin, any skin, and I love Rihanna for that. Like, I love it. So lastly from the collection, I picked up the Summer Nights Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trio. I was more drawn to Summer Nights because I don't know, I just like the deeper colors. It came with 3 and I'm going to show you guys each one. This one here is Snake Skin, and it looks like it's kind of like a green, gold, blue foil type of color. Really, really pretty. It looks green in this light, but I mean it changes, because at first it looked like golden brown, so it just changes, but green is like the undertone. The next color is Mermaid Thighs, which is just so pretty, you guys. Oh my god, I love this one. So Mermaid Thighs has like a gold, purple, blue color, and it looks blue in this light. And this is the color Vaycray, and Vaycray looks pink, purple, gold type of color to me, and Vaycray looks like a rosy gold color from this angle. I actually don't know which one I'm gonna use. Which one should I use, y'all? Let's see. I think I already tried Snake Skin. Snake Skin looks green on me. Let's go with Vaycray. Okay, yeah. And these smell really good. They smell like cookies or cookie dough or something. And these are, and you can actually use them as toppers, but I'm using it as a gloss. Very nice and smooth. I'm actually gonna mix it with Mermaid Thighs. Okay, so this is a close-up of the look. And you guys already know I'm going to show you what this looks like in natural lights, because for some reason my studio lights like to wash me out. But this looks so cute. Overall, would I recommend the Beach Please collection? And I definitely would. I think it's very pretty. It's very toned down. This is not your over-the-top makeup, but it is still very bold at the same time, because it's different. It's a different look. Like, you're not gonna see people with their makeup like this all the time, which is what I love. I really think it complements deep skin really good. Like, this makes your skin pop. This makes you look so beautiful and golden and just so cute, and I love it. Would I recommend this hair? Yes, I would. I really like the SuperNova hair. Their frontal is amazing. I love when I don't have to tint the lace and color on the lace and do this and that and that. I really like that I didn't have to do that. All I did was have to pluck it, customize it. The hair is nice and full. I only have in almost 3 bundles, and it's, you guys, this is some full hair, and I love that it comes dark. It's so dark it looks almost black. Definitely, if you're on the hunt for some good hair to make you a wig with, I definitely suggest SuperNova hair. So make sure you guys check the description bar below. All the details about the hair, makeup, all that stuff will be down there. If you guys want to know what jacket I have on, that will be down there as well. It's an Adidas jacket though. Okay. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys clicking on another video. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, let me know what you think, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. You know